Planning to go to an exotic destination with white beaches and crystal clear water, but not sure what to bring? Then you clicked on the right video. After visiting many beautiful beaches all over the world, we feel comfortable to share with you our top items that will make your beach holidays even better. Hello fellow travelers, and welcome to Tops, where we share our experience to help you get more out of your future trips. Relaxing on picturesque sand and swimming in turquoise water is what everyone dreams of. So, let's make sure you have the best time ever once you get there. Here are our tops on what you should pack for your beach holiday. But before we start, this is not a product review video. We just want to point you in the right direction, and then you need to choose what you like the most. Explore the ocean. The underwater world offers so much to see and explore, be it snorkeling from the beach or going on dives. You will always be surprised by new fishes during your next underwater adventure. Nothing will spoil your vacation more than having bad equipment or none at all. Depending on where you are traveling, it might get difficult or at least expensive to rent some good snorkeling equipment for you and your family. We recommend to bring at least your own mask. There are many options available, and we always go for a full face mask, as it allows you to breathe with both your nose and mouth, is comfortable, and easy to use even for our kids. It fits good into your luggage, and it is so much nice to wear your own clean mask than having to rent one that was used by many other tourists before you. If you can also fit in some fins, even better, but those are optional, as you can also snorkel without them. Make sure you also bring a waterproof camera to capture the beautiful underwater world. GoPros are the best, but there are many great budget options, and even a simple waterproof case for your phone that will do the trick. These cost only a few dollars and will allow you to take priceless pictures of your adventure. Protect yourself. A strong sunburn is one of the worst things that can happen to you, except of course for bad weather. Make sure you have enough sun protection with you, as well as something to cover your head and protect your eyes. We notice that people often underestimate the power of the sun while staying in the water. Even though water keeps you cool, it will actually increase the strength of the sun, as it acts almost like a magnifying glass. And even the best sun lotion will get washed away eventually. We recommend wearing a shirt with some UV protection, and for snorkeling, even some leggings. This will help protect you from bad sunburns, and you will also not have to use so much lotion. This is even better for kids, as they don't really like applying sun lotion, and don't mind wearing a t-shirt on the beach. They aren't the ones going there for a tan anyway. Do you have any other tips that we missed? Please share them with the fellow travelers in the comments down below. Stay safe, happy travels, and we'll see you in the next video.